आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. In the given circuit, charge Q2 on 2 microfarad capacitor changes as C is varied from 1 to 3. Q2 as a function of C is given properly by. So if you see, this is the 2 microfarad capacitor, and in the question it is said that it is Q2 and here it is Q1. So the charge on this will be Q1 plus Q2, right? So you can just relate the Q1 and Q2. If you see, if I write down this point as A and this point as B, so I will write down the potential difference between A and B. It is 1 by C1. If I say this is C1 and this is C2, or you can write down, so if you see, it will be equals to Q1 by 1, Q2 by 2. So from here you will get the Q1 is equals to Q2 by 2. You could see that, right? Since the potential difference is same, and we know that the potential difference across the capacitor is charged by the capacitance, so we will write down this and you will get Q1 is equals to Q2 by 2. So if you put here Q1 is equals to Q2 by 2, so it will be 3 Q2 by 2, right? So charge on this is 3 Q2 by 2, here it is Q2 by 2. Now we will apply the Kirchhoff's loop law for this loop. So we'll start from here, and if you cross this battery, the potential difference will be E, and this is positively charged, this is negatively, this is again negatively, positively. So I will write down minus by C, it is by 2, it will be equals to 0. Now what we want here, if you see, Q2 as a function of C. You can see here we related the Q2 and C, so you can just take Q2 common here. So if you see, if I write down, it is E, and I will take Q2 outside. So if you take this Q2 term on other side, I will take this Q2 outside, it is 3 by 2C plus half. If you see, 3 by 2C plus half. Now we will write down this Q2 is equals to E upon, if you see, if you take this half outside, right, this half outside, this is 3 by C plus 1. So if you see, this is 2E. So if you see 3 plus C plus, if you see here it will be C only again. Now if you see, this will be the charge on the capacitor, right? So you can just see very clearly that if I write down it like this, it is 2E upon this. So you can see very clearly that if you approach this C to 0, so here the C is varying from 1 to this. So if I write down the C value is equals to 1, right? So it will be equals to, Q2 will be equals to 2E upon 3 plus 1. Now if you put the value of C is equals to 3, so 3 at 3 it will be equals to 1. So it is this. So it is gradually, if you see, the denominator is decreased. So Q2 here is increased. So Q2 is increasing gradually, right? And if you see here, the function will be, it is increasing, right? And you can check the rate of increase by differentiating it again, right? If you differentiate it like dq by dc, you will get the idea of the rate as well, right? So if you see, after integrating this, it is 3 by c minus 1, it will be minus 2, and if you see, it is c to the power minus 1, so it is minus 2 again. So you can just compare here that the slope here is decreasing. So if you see here, A will be the correct option. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।